just feeling incredibly grateful for the rich connections to people that, like, when they talk, it feels like you're talking. I've geeked out about reading books that do that, and so meeting people from different cultures that do that is pretty surreal. So reminding myself to be grounded enough, focused enough on that to pay attention to that and take it in. I think of Clay Shirky's Cognitive Surplus and Jerry talking about we're not made for like a memory, like a computer. It's a combination of all of it, but the sweetest is the connection of people. Yeah, it's just so many resonating, rich conversations. How to share that and permeate that through us to create a betterness.